Good morning. Let's see how does my day at the farm looks like. Just love checking up on all of my flowers. Just a normal garden walk to see what's happening. I see we should remove this. This is Karela. This is Kira. Look at this. Literally like 4 दिन पहले it was a very tiny one. And look at this now. Look at this tiny one. Harvested few papitas. Sitting with my dogs. Guinea has a habit of touching her bum here and standing there. So summers are tough. Few times we need to get a tanker. And finally, we love to end our day with going on a lake walk with our guests and spending some time here. That's the favorite part of the day.